Students, let's do next exercise. Open your textbook, page number 58. Word fun. See here, fill in the letters to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the pictures as clue. Here you have given some pictures and one crossword puzzle. You have to complete this puzzle. For clue, you have given here some pictures. So see the picture and try to complete this puzzle. See here first S and W is given. So this is snow. So we will write here S N O W, snow. Then this is the picture of, yes, correct, wind. So W and D are given. So we will write here I N N, right? S N O W, snow. W I N D, wind. Then see here the picture of cloud. Yes. So we will write here the spelling of cloud. What is the spelling of cloud? C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Correct. Now see here L-H-T. This is the spelling of light. So L is given. So we will write here I, G, H and T, light. Correct. Now see here the picture of dust is given, right? So we will write here D U S T, dust. D and T are given. So we will add here U and S. Then H and T. So what the sun give us? Heat. Yes. So what is the spelling of heat? H E A T, heat, right? Correct. And see here fire is also given. So from fire also we can get the heat, right? Then what is this? You all know? Yes, star. S T. So what we will write here? A, star. Now the last one. No, sorry, not last, second last. What is this? Yes, moon. M O O N, moon. And what is this? Sun. So S U N, sun. So in this way we have completed our puzzle. You also complete this in your English textbook. Now next exercise. See, let's share. What would you call these pictures in your language? Now label the pictures in English. Here some pictures are given. You have to find out that what you call these pictures in your language. Whether your language, maybe your language is Gujarati, Hindi, anything, right? So you have to think what you call. But then we have to write down the name of these pictures in English. What is this? Moon. So we will write here spelling of moon. M O O N, moon, right? Then this is sun. S U N, sun. Correct. Then this is cloud. So we will write here cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. And then this is star. So S-T-A-R, star. Correct. So in this way we have completed this page, page number 58. Now next page, riddle time. Here one riddle is given and we have to find out who is this, right? Who am I? I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground, other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named, what is this? sometimes up, sometimes down, sometimes it is cold, sometimes hot, sometimes on the ground, sometimes in the cloud. So, and that word rhymes with daughter. So, that word is water. Correct. So, we will write here water. See, here also the answer is given. You can read that answer. Now see, here fish tank given. Look at this fish tank. Write 3 sentences on what you see. Draw some more creatures in this tank. Here you have to see this fish tank, and after observing this, you have to write 3 sentences on this fish tank. So you think, then I will give you, okay? So think 3 sentences on this fish tank. Students, here also draw some more creatures in this tank. Here you can draw other creatures also. So add some more creatures in this tank. Students, now let's do exercises on page number 60. Here see, one rhyme is given. Let's sing. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. Okay, this I have sung in this way. You can also sing by your own way. Okay, next, see, the words away, day, play are rhyming words. Here 3 words given: away, day, play. Right? At the end, ay comes. So, these are rhyming words. Now, color the words that rhyme with. Here you have given some words and you have to color it according to that rhyme. For example, if any word rhyme with in, so that word you have to, that box you have to color with red. For example, in, with in which word rhyme with? So pin, spin, tin and fin. These words you will rhyme with in, so color this box with red. Then down. Which words rhyme with down? Brown, gown, clown, frown, crown and drown. So all these words you have to color yellow, right? Because these all words rhyme with down. Now see. Now with not. Blue, right? That you have to color with blue, rhyme with the words which rhyme with not. So dot, spot, hot and pot and coat. So these words rhyme with not. So these all box you have to color with yellow color. So you do it properly and then send me image.